Hey everyone, David here from the Five and Dime, and watch as I transform this desk and hutch. It had a lot of major issues. Somebody had taken it and just modified it, I guess is the best way to put it, to suit what their needs were, but it was in really bad shape. So let's start with getting the repairs done and filling all the gouges and holes. I used a lot of wood filler in order to really fix it up to get it to a point where I could actually do something salvageable with it. The wood filler came in and was really instrumental in making sure I got a really good finish on this. Once the wood filler was dry, I sanded it back to create a smoother finish, and now I'm using Slick Stick by Dixie Belle Paint Company to create a surface that's going to take paint. This is not a wood desk, it is a lot of laminate and other composite wood, so there you go. There was no repairing the top without trying to cover up all the blemishes and flaws, so wallpaper was the choice, so I'm using Eucalyptus paper that I get from Wallpaper Direct. Now that all the repairs are done, I've got the base done, Slick Stick is dry. I did use 2 coats of Slick Stick. I'm coming in with the color The Golf by Dixie Belle Paint Company, and this is what my 9-year-old client decided was the color that she wanted for this desk and hutch. Once I had the coverage that I was happy with, I came in with Dixie Belle's clear coat in satin in order to give the base a good solid seal, but then came in with gator hide on top to provide a more durable finish. I'm using the Songbird stencil by Dixie Belle Paint Company from their Bells and Whistles line, along with Best Stained Wax and White to create this very soft ghost stencil. My client was very clear that she didn't want it to be too fussy and too busy. The white wax really provided just a very soft, discreet stencil, and I used that just to embellish the sides and that as well of the drawers, and it worked out perfectly. So this was just delivered the other day, and my client gave